My name is Hannah Magnusson. I am a pharmacy technician. I work at Selkirk Regional Health Center, and I took the pharmacy technician program at MITT. Before MITT, I was a new mom, and I owned an editing business, which had been successful up until the pandemic. So that is what prompted my career switch and my desire to look for something different. It's my old student ID card. It's a big decision to go back to school with a kid, and looking at myself, I just wish I could tell her that it's the right choice and everything's gonna work out just fine. MITT helped me with my success in my career in a multitude of ways. They are very hands-on and practical with their teaching, marrying the theory and practice really nicely to give students a taste of what it's like to actually be in the field before they actually step into it. They have technology in the labs that mirrors what they have here in the hospital, so I was able to basically step onto the job and know what I was doing. So an average day in the life of a hospital pharmacy technician is actually quite varied, which is why I love it. As a technician, we are responsible for making sure that the drugs are going to the right place, that they are the right drugs, the right quantity, and then within the hospital, we are also tasked with ensuring that the right drugs are getting to the right patients. Beyond that, I have the opportunity here to specialize in oncology practice, so I get to take care of patients when they're receiving chemotherapy. I wanted a program that would deliver what it said it did and give me the results that it said it would, and MITT definitely checked those boxes.